Officially moving week. Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angel if you're new here, and if you're not new here, it's officially moving week, which means that technically it's season 2 of my moving series, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. Granted, it's not like a huge moving because it's in the same neighborhood, but it's bigger, it's better. I'm excited. Yes, we did kind of just move here not even like a year ago, but our lease was only for 9 months, so it's time to go. Currently, we're about to go to Target. I don't have that much to buy, but I feel like going to Target and doing a lot of unnecessary shopping is kind of like a rite of passage to moving. So we're going to Target. I think we need to get cleaning supplies for the new apartment if we don't have it already. I know I want a new shower curtain, and yeah, we'll kind of just see when we get there. That's kind of how Target is. I'm excited. I'm just wearing this little tracksuit that I got from Amazon, I believe, and my loafers with my leg warmers. I've been obsessed with my loafers lately. I just think that they're so cute. So right now I'm just getting cat food. You guys know I'm obsessed with my cat. Never tried these before, but I think I'm gonna try them. Should I get pineapple or mango? Oh, I really love the Stella blueberry. I think I'll try the blueberry. Never mind. Also want my found peach. Okay, so now we're sitting at Target eating our Starbucks. Y'all know I had to get Starbucks. I get the brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso. That's ridiculous. Okay, we're back home. I'm gonna do a quick grocery haul. I didn't get that much. This should last us for about a week since our last day here is on Sunday. And then if we have to bring it over, we could just literally walk it there. So yeah, don't talk about my dishes. They're gonna get done. So don't even do it, okay? Which put up here. Got some yogi tea and ginger and elderberry lemon. This is for immune and stress. I'm just gonna dump them out so you can see. Okay, here's what we're working with. And then I have my packing supplies behind, so don't even mind that. But here we have some salt and vinegar chips. These are the Kettle brand. They're literally so good. I got some creamy tomato basil soup. As you guys know, I love it, especially with some grilled cheese. I usually get it from Panera, but I'm excited to try this one out. I got some frozen pasta. You guys know if I'm cooking at home, it's probably most likely going to be frozen first. Just being honest. Some frozen pizza. Some frozen chicken fried rice. This is literally so good. Some banana bread. I got a Twix. Got some apples, bananas. This green goddess smoothie. Got these charcuterie bites, and these are so yummy. Perfect snack to bring to school since I'm back in school. And then you guys see me get these Stella Rosa peach wine coolers. I've never tried these. I've only tried the one in the bottle, so curious to see if this is going to have a different taste. And yeah, that's all I got. Clearly I eat a bunch of junk, but yeah, I really got to work on it. But I think it's a first step to cooking because honestly, I'm not a cooker, but I want to learn. But this is just a baby step, so. Okay, that's it for groceries. We did get some new stuff for the new place, and we're gonna take that over there, and then I'll give you guys an empty apartment tour. And then other things that are not related to that, I needed some new beauty blenders, so I got that. And then I picked up this candle in the scent Reindeer Forest. It smells so good. Okay, so this is how it looks when you're first walking in. This is the overview. You have the living room, and then we have wooden floors now. At the other apartment, it was carpet, so that's definitely a step up. Dining room, kitchen. Kitchen is basically the same, except for we have this island part now. And also in our old kitchen, we used to have our laundry room right there. There's like this little door, but as you can see, we don't have it. But yeah, here's just a little overview of how it looks. Moving on, we have the hallway. Okay, I'm gonna skip my sister's room. But here we have the laundry room. I love that we now have a separate room in the kitchen to do laundry, and it's much more spacious. But okay, moving on. Here we have my room. We have this little door section. And then from me standing in the door section, here's the room overview. Have this big window. I love me a big window. Only thing is I'm gonna miss my other view of just trees because now I kind of have to be careful with showing you guys when I have the window open. But yeah, here's the room. It also doesn't have a bathroom in it, but that was my choice picking this room. And then here's the closet. Yeah, I'd say it's a pretty decent size. But okay, moving on. This is a 3-bedroom, by the way. And then coming out of my room, we have the 3rd bedroom. And then sitting at the door, here's what you see. The closet, which is actually, I think, pretty bigger than mine. From the closet, here's the room overview. So the other bathroom is right here. Okay, here's the bathroom. Here's me. Pretty much identical to my last one. I think the sink area is bigger though, so that's great. And yeah, still have to clean up in here. You can see this mirror definitely needs to be cleaned. And yeah, I think this bathroom is actually more spacious, which I love. And then coming out of this just leads back to the hallway. Okay, so my reasoning for not choosing the room with the bathroom in it, I think the other one is more spacious and it gets better lighting. So I'll just have to come across the hall to use the restroom, which is no problem. This room is actually gonna be my office / work room. Because if you don't know, I was working in the dining room and that led to the living room. So it's good that I have a room for it now, so it won't be all over the place and we can actually make the place more homey, because we never really fully decorated our last apartment because we knew our lease was only 9 months, and yeah, with my business taking over majority of the space, it just wasn't ever homey. So I'm excited to make this one hopefully feel homey. Yeah, I'm excited to bring you guys along the journey with us. Let me actually go get what I have from Target out of the car and give you guys a little haul. Guys, me filming on the floor in an empty room is just giving me so much deja vu from when we first moved, which is just crazy to think about. Like, so much has happened in the year 2022. So yeah, I guess I'm just feeling nostalgic. But let's get into this haul. So I mainly just got things for my bathroom. I got this gray bath mat. I got these flower shower curtains, which I'm really not into floral, but this is pretty. Like, look at the picture. I feel like that's pretty. So plus they didn't really have many good options to choose from, so this was the best choice for me. So I got a new shower caddy, which is good because I have like a smaller one and I can barely put stuff in it, so I'm glad I got a bigger one. This is the last thing for the bathroom. I just got a new waste basket. And last but not least, I got 2 of these little matte gray plate bowls. Like, it's a plate, but it's kind of also a bowl, as you can see. I thought these were so cute. I got 2 of them. That's pretty much all I got for right now. I don't think I'm gonna buy any like decorations or anything until we actually move in. I still have a lot of packing to do, so I think I'm gonna start packing when we get back to the other apartment. Because if I wait till last minute, it's just gonna be super stressful, and moving is already stressful enough as it is, so I better not procrastinate. Okay, so we're back at the other apartment and I'm kind of dreading starting because I have no idea where to start. I guess I can start with my clothes, but it's just a lot. but we got this. I mean, I kind of have no choice to get it done because it's our last week here, but I'm dreading it, so at least we get to do it together. Yay! But luckily, since I get a lot of boxes of inventory, I have plenty of boxes to use to pack my stuff. Yeah, let me go get some boxes. Okay, I took my lashes off because they're irritating me. But I got some boxes. Now I need to build them. Okay. She's built. I have literally so many shoes I don't even wear. Okay, so here is most of my shoes. I don't think I'm going to tape up this box yet just because I'm not sure if I'm going to need them yet. Okay, so here we are in my horrendous closet. I start hanging some stuff up so it can just be easier for me to take to the apartment, so I can already have that done. Yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so I managed to actually get quite a lot done. I look super oily, but now I'm starving, so I'm gonna take a little break and fix me something to eat because your girl is starving. Okay, so it's a few hours later. I took my shower and everything. Now I want to light my candle. Let me find my lighter first. I was gonna wait, but why wait? Okay guys, I want to call it a day. I really have to go to sleep early because I did not go to school today because I was too tired to even get up, so let me not do that again. But I will continue this vlog tomorrow. I still need to pack in here and we might even start packing in the kitchen. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 2. Okay, we're back for day 2 of packing. This is actually day 3. I didn't film yesterday, so I'm saying day 2. We now have 4 days to move, and I need to get to packing because I still have a lot to do. I don't know how good you can hear me because my machines are running and it's kind of loud, but I'm on my bathroom floor. I need to take everything out from underneath the sink and pack it, so let's do that. I'm not sure how packing videos are interesting, so I'm just gonna end it today because I don't know how interesting this is. Next video will be more fun. Well, I'll actually be in the new apartment, so she's a bit messy. Okay, it's empty. I really just kept most of the stuff in this bin, so yeah. But I think I'm gonna start taking some to the apartment tomorrow. I'm probably gonna do the plastic bag hack with these just so I can just transform it to my closet. But I guess I'll give you updates on my work area right now. My inventory is a mess and I have to package this all up, so I'm most likely gonna put them in boxes since most of them are already folded. I kind of keep jumping around from place to place, but now I'm back in my bathroom. We're gonna clean out my skincare cabinet. I'm just gonna put everything that I can in this little travel pouch and then keep it in here for a couple of days. First off, my skincare collection has grown so much and it'll probably grow even bigger now that I'm in school to be an esthetician. She's thick. I never really use these. Should we use them tonight together? Guys, I almost forgot to film, but it's way later. I'm so sorry this video is choppy, but next video will be when the fun will actually begin. I don't know if the packing part is that interesting, so I haven't been filming it that much. Plus, I have a lot to get done, so it's easier to not film it. But I did just do my skincare, but I didn't do the little hydrogel under eye mask yet. So I wanted to do that with you guys, so let's do it. Okay, I have to be on my knees right now because I got a new tripod and for some reason it's really slippery and I've dropped this camera so many times. Yeah, can't keep doing that. But this is how it looks. Oh, it's dripping. But anyways, it's supposed to hydrate under your eyes and wake you up, but I really just like it for the aesthetics, to be honest. I don't know if it really works. Okay, first one's on. It's just easier to apply with the fingers, so that's what I'm going to do. Have fun. But okay, I'm going to end this video off here. I know this is kind of a weird point to end the video, but there's just not that much to show you guys. But yeah, I'll probably start the new video tomorrow since I'll start moving the stuff, and I'm excited. I don't know when exactly will be the first night, but my bed's here, so it's probably best to wait it out. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have made it up to this point, comment down below the cucumber emoji, just because this is reminding me of cucumber on the eyes. So comment that down below. And also, it's just like an inside joke that only the besties know. But okay, I'm gonna go. I'm just looking at myself at this point. Okay, bye. I love you guys so much.